PathPilot quick tips. Let's say you're working on something and you have a drawing with an oddball dimension in metric and you normally work in inch or vice versa. In PathPilot, you can just put the metric value into the DRO and we'll do the math for you. Let's say you're working on something in inch and you have a random dimension that's in metric for whatever reason. In the DRO, you can put a metric value in and we'll do the math for you. And keep in mind, this goes the other way as well. If you're normally working in metric and you need an inch value, put IN at the end. In this case, I'm using MM at the end of my measurement. So now I can work in metric and inch interchangeably. 1/8 of an inch, 1/2 a millimeter. PathPilot does the math for you. And if you're in G21 for metric, the same applies. You can say, I want 2 millimeters, or I want 0.35 inches. I hope this helps your workflow. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a good day.